And we're going to start a lesson that we're going to do for 2 days. So we'll do it today, Monday, and we'll do it tomorrow as well. So a little bit of practice each day. Here's our warm-up for it, and it's suggesting you to use the ladder method to reduce these fractions. So I'm going to do each piece. If you remember what we're doing with the ladder method, it allows us to simplify fractions. So we have 6 over 30. So we can put 6 and 30, and we can put that in a ladder. And then you ask yourself of any number, it doesn't need to be prime in this case. We're not finding GCF or LCM. We're just looking for numbers that can go into 6 and go into 30. So one thing I know, whenever they're even, like 6 is even and 30 is even, I automatically know a 2 goes in there. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 30 15 times. And now I'm looking at these numbers 3 and 15. I'm saying, is there anything that goes into both of those? And you can find 3 will go into 3 1 time, and 3 will go into 15 5 times. And there's your reduced fraction. It's 1/5. So this equals 1/5. Okay? And we'll do the same thing with 14 and 56. Again, 14's even, 56 even. So let's go put a 2. How many 2's go into 14? 7. How many 2's go into 56? Think of how many 2's go into 50, 25, and how many 2's go into 6, because 50 plus 6 is 56, right? So how many 2's go into 6 is 3. So you have 25 plus 3. It's 28 of them. Okay? So now how many 7's could go into 7? 1. And how many 7's can go into 28? So we pulled out a 7. How many 7's go into 7? 1. How many 7's go into 28? 4. And we can't get anything else. I should have done 1 and done right there, so we were done. So now we're 1 and done as well. So the fraction is 1/4. So we can say 14 over 56 is equal to 1/4. Okay, I'm going to erase the original one so we have enough space to do our last fraction. So 78 and 102, both even numbers, so I know where I'm starting. I'm starting with the 2. How many 2's go into 78? Break it up into a 70 and an 8. 35 2's go into 70, and 4 2's go into 8. So 35 plus 4 is 39. I can do the same thing with 102. Like how many 2's go into 100 and how many 2's go into 2. So you're going to get 51. Okay, this is a little challenging. Now we're thinking, what can go into 39 and also go into 51? And I believe the answer is 3. How many 3's can go into 39 is 13. How many 3's can go into 51 is 17. So your fraction, since 13 is prime and 17 is prime, it's 1 and done. So you get a 13 over 17. So that was a little bit of a challenging one, all right? But this is how we can use the ladder method. Take any fraction you have, and you can continue this to reduce your fraction.